Goods are ready to ship. Every batch before shipping will do inspection. Now, we take out one from the bulk order to check and assemble. Each box with 2 Mover Dollies. Open the box, we will see 4 short balls with carpet, 4 long hardwood balls, and 2 boxes for caster, and 1 instruction. Okay, now let's assemble it. First, pull 2 short and 2 long balls together. Assemble them into a frame. After this, we open the caster box, take out 4 casters and nuts bag. Install the casters and screw on the nuts. Because we get the feedback from customer that sometimes the nuts were lost, so each bag we put 1 or 2 more nuts for standby. We keep optimizing the dolly in order to make it easier for customers to assemble. After screw on the nuts, please find the wrench by your own. Actually, no wrench in our products. Use the wrench, tighten the nuts. If you have any questions or advice, please feel free to leave a message here. We'll improve. Normally, one set use 10 minutes to assemble. Actually, not very hard. After this, we will do the loading test. Okay, we see the casters. Goes well. Smooth. Okay, let's go. Do the loading test. Each bag is 50 kilograms. Normally, we put 6 bags on the furniture mover dolly. After loading, the caster still works well. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to tell us. Thank you.